In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft fonts and Photoshop. So the very first thing that you want to do here is go to this specific website, which is fontbolt.com, and just search for Minecraft. From here, you'll be able to see the different fonts that you can use, or just click on the download button and wait for it to download on your PC. So let's wait for it to download, and once done, we could go to our next step. So right now the download is completed. Just click on the TTF file. Go ahead and open it up. Then just click on the install button here. Wait for it to install. And then the next thing that you want to do is boot up Photoshop. So right now, before you install this font, make sure that Photoshop is actually closed on your PC. If it's still open, you might have to restart your Photoshop for this font to appear on your settings. So let's go ahead and open up Photoshop. Right now, I've just started Photoshop and created a new project. So the next thing that we want to do here is just create a text layer and just type in Minecraft, and just make sure to highlight Minecraft here and just go to your character section here. So right now it's set to Mirrored Pro. Just click on the tab here and make sure to look for Minecraft. So we have the Minecrafter alt. Select it, and you've successfully installed the Minecraft font on your PC to use on Photoshop. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.